Hi, college and career success and student success seminar students. Welcome to week 13. This is a combined video, so please do not be alarmed, my student success classes, if you see this college and career success up in the corner, because both my college and career success and my student success seminar course have the same assignment this week, so I'm just doing a combined video. So everything that I'm going to talk about in this video will apply to both classes. So we are in week 13, which means we are quickly coming to the end of the semester. So I want to go ahead and plug again, you have your workshop assignment coming due very soon. It's just a few weeks away. So if you have not registered for your workshop, please make sure you take a quick look at my video again that walks you through how to register, where to register, looking at your options. At this point, we really do not have that many options left. The later in the semester we get, the fewer options there are for workshops. So please make sure that you get in there, register, attend the workshop, and then send me your certificate of attendance. And that's how you'll get your points for your workshop assignment. Again, that is due at the end of week 16. So at this point, you do not have very much time. So please make sure you take care of that. The next thing I want to talk to you about that applies to both classes as well is you have a chance to make up any missing work from week 1. So if you were a late enrollee to the course, if you just missed the first week because you were getting used to Blackboard, whatever the reason, in week 1, you will see this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the video folder and the week 1 folder will reopen. So if you have any work from week 1 that you need to make up this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you can get in there and make up those points. You will eventually see week 2, week 3, week 4 open as well. So just take advantage if needed to kind of bring up any of your scores if that applies to you. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to week 13. Again, this applies to both of these classes, College and Career Success and Student Success Seminar. There is no lecture video this week. There is just this assignment video that we're doing right now. There is no discussion forum. Your attendance is based off of your completion of this assignment due by Sunday. So make sure that you submit it by Sunday, and then you also get your week 13 attendance. So for this, I'm going to highly recommend that you get into the materials folder, and in here you're going to see links to the digital library. This week is all about the digital library. You can click on any of these links and they're going to take you to pages that have to do with the library. So one of the pages is going to take you initially to like the who, what, when, where, how tabs. When you go to these tabs, there's videos embedded in here. I'm going to pause it. They're very quick. You can see this is like 43 seconds. One's like 49 seconds. There's another one that's 2 minutes. Pretty quick videos, so not a lot of time, but it really does start introducing you to the digital library, especially if you are not familiar with the digital library here on campus. We also have a page that goes over the research process that's a little bit more involved. So for whatever reason, my computer's not loading all of these, but it goes through and it gives some videos and images and information on the research process. We also have the digital library page. This is where you can go to start actually doing research inside the databases. You can book an appointment with a librarian. You can chat if they are online. If you had a quick question, you can go and find the book catalog, lots of resources and services down here as well. At our Stark State homepage, you can go to the very bottom and you can also access the digital library that way. Bring you to this page again. I also want to show you there is something new this semester. So if you go to info for current students, along with our digital library, we also have something called the Library Learning Lounge, which is this professional space that you can go to get some help, but you can also go to study and do some homework. And so there, you can click on there, and again, it's going to take you to this page. You can find out more here about the information and hours about the lounge and all of that. So I encourage you to really take a look, click through, get to know information about the library itself, especially again if you've never used this resource before. Make sure that you are familiarized with it. Whenever you are ready, you feel comfortable with the information that you have learned, go ahead and get into the assignment folder. And you're going to start the library assignment. It'll click. It's going to be one of these that opens up into its own window, and it's going to start talking to you when you hit play.
Now that you've completed the lesson,
there we go. And you're going to walk through and you are going to just answer some questions. So you are welcome to have kind of your tabs up and running back here if you need to, but then you'll go through, you'll answer all the questions. Make sure you go all the way to the last slide. Make sure you hit submit. And this is one of those assignments that's going to be automatically graded. So when you get into the gradebook, just go and find that library assignment listed and make sure over here it has a score and not the blue like in progress symbol. So that again is automatically graded. make sure that it goes through and it is submitted. That's your only assignment for this week. All right, so to wrap up, please make sure that you sign up and take your workshop due at the end of week 16, which is the last part of our course. Take advantage of week 1 being open this weekend if you need to make any points up from that point of the semester, this Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then in terms of our current week, just make sure you go in there and you take the library assignment for your attendance purposes as well. If you have questions, be sure to reach out. Have a great week.